welcome back to my channel. I hope you're fine and enjoying my videos because learning is so much fun. But for more videos, subscribe my channel. Okay, let's come on today's lesson, that is letter V. But wait. First learn the sound of letter V. V sounds V. Say with me. V. And do you know? Letter B is a grass letter because it is written in two middle lines. Can you write V? No? Oh no. But don't worry. I am here. I will tell you. First draw the one diagonal line. Then attach it to other one like a cross. Half cross is done. Very easy. Good. Let's come to listen a story. Story of letter V. Drive whisk van around the village. Woo, 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 woo. Drive whisk van around the village. Woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Woo. Yahoo! Okay. Now learn some animals of letter V. Vulture. I wanna see. Viper. It's too big. I'm scary. Vampire bat. Black. Wall. I don't like. Now learn some words from letter V. Vegetables. It's so healthy. Videos. Like my videos. Please like my videos. Wall. Violin. Vehicles. Van. I have a van. Violet. My favorite color. Volcano. Smoke. And hot. Volleyball. I wanna play. Oh yes. Now it's your turn. Tell me some new words from letter V. Oh, very good. Vitamins. We need it. Virus. Please stay away. Good job, friends. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it and learn so much. But don't forget to subscribe me, like, share, comments. See you soon, friends. Bye-bye.